This
I cannot,
is nice.
I cannot let up. I cannot let up.
Shawty made that ass clap, she don't need no clothes. High fashion, like go yard, D-Wagon, or the Rover. I put some ice on you cause you gotta go. I know I gotta keep my shawty on go. Got that ass to the floor. Whoa. You ain't gotta deal with none of these niggas no more. If we hop in the beans, is that okay? Is it okay if I call you my pride, baby? I ain't no player, I just had a lot of pain. But let me tell you, I like you a lot, baby. I wanna start at the top and the bottom, baby. Know you want to shoot with the red at the bottom, baby. You know I like when you ride at the top, baby. She wants Chanel, yo-yo. I'm only doing cash guys, don't need promos. I pull up to the high rise, I'm in the 4-4. Inside Coco. I got a feeling I keep it inside my heart. And I keep a petty cause I don't do facades. You can see my diamonds even when I'm in the dark. And since you got it, it make you wanna do anything you want. Shawty made that ass clap, she don't need no applause. High fashion, like Goya, G-Wagon, or the Rover. I put some ice on you cause you gotta go. I know I gotta keep my shawty on go. Got that ass to the floor. Whoa. You ain't gotta deal with none of these niggas no more. If we hop in the beans, is that okay? Is it okay if I call you my pride, baby? I ain't no player, I just had a lot of pain. But let me tell you, I like you a lot, baby. I wanna start at the top and the bottom, baby. Know you want to shoot with the red at the bottom, baby. You know I like when you ride at the top, baby. If I hit it running back, she gon' hit the sidewalk. Then she got a husband with her, take her back to my law. Got a 5 in the morning, wild and wild. And the name ain't begging, but she a stallion. You know I hold the valley. Remember I was pulling up in the valley. And you know I take her so when she ride. Put her in the sneakers all kids. Shawty know to drop it low like a liver. How we think it like Timbo. Shawty made that ass clap, she don't need no applause. I put some ice on you cause you gotta go hard. I know I gotta keep my shawty on go. Got that ass to the floor, yeah. Shawty made that ass clap, she don't need no applause. High fashion, like Goya, D-Wagon, or the Rover. I put some ice on you cause you gotta go. I know I gotta keep my shawty on go. Got that ass to the floor, yeah. Whoa. You ain't gotta deal with none of these niggas no more. If we hop in the beans, is that okay? Is it okay if I call you my pride, baby? I ain't no player, I just not a lot of play. But let me tell you, I like you a lot, babe. I wanna start at the top and the bottom, babe.
What's up, y'all? I'm back. I'm just playing, but what's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me, my name is Maya Takia, so now you know me. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. And if you're not a returning subscriber, if you're new, make sure y'all subscribe so y'all can join the family. So today, I did like a little cleaning up a little bit. And what I'm going to do, I do have an appointment for 1:30 to go get my oil changed in my car. But I don't know why I was talking like that. But before we do that, we're gonna go Instacart. So y'all gonna come with me to Instacart and I can just show y'all, you know, the perks of Instacart. It's a side hustle I do, you know, I do it here and there. I really don't do it as much, but y'all gonna come with me Instacart. And I don't know what time it is right now. It's probably close to 11 o'clock in the morning. So I'll probably be able to do at least 2-3 orders, just something, you know. And I try to get like the big orders, like not big quantity orders, but like the one that pay the most. So before we do that, I'm gonna go get something to eat. I don't even know if I want breakfast because at this point it's not breakfast time anymore. So I don't know what I want to eat. I might go to Wendy's and just grab something. I just need to put something on my stomach before I start doing anything. So y'all gonna come with me. Okay, y'all, we in the car. First, y'all, what y'all think about this little mushroom bob I done did? I had this is an old wig I installed. I'm probably gonna upload it on my YouTube shorts. But I just cut it. It was like a 14-inch, and I cut it, so I guess it looks like a 10 now. So I was like, because I ain't want it like down here, because it was like a little bob. It was all the way down here. Oh, if y'all wondering why I got this on my hand, long story short, I hurt myself at work, so I have to wear this until my arm heals, well, my wrist. I'm on light duty right now at my job, so I'm not doing like the heavy work that I usually do. We've been kind of slow anyway, so you know, it ain't a big deal, but I'm on light duty, so I'm doing something that's real easy. And it's just been a lot going on with my job. I don't know, so it's a lot going on, but that's what happened to my arm. Oh, y'all, I am ashy. And I thought I had some lotion in my car, and I must have taken it out. I don't like walking around ashy and stuff, but I might have to go back. I don't feel like going back inside, though. I don't. I'm gonna think about it. You know what, my car is warming up, so I think I'm gonna run back inside, go get my lotion. But I still got my Instacart app pulled up. Orders pop up here and there. It's none right now, because when I tell you, when these orders pop up, people snatch them quick, so you gotta be on here looking for real. But until I wait for good orders to pop up, but I did say I'm gonna go get something to eat first, so I gotta do that first. Okay, y'all, I'm back in the car. I just made it to the gas station. Let me show y'all. Why is it like this? Okay, there you go. It's the gas station, y'all. I love Quick Trip. But anyway, oh, they usually have pizzas in here, so that's probably what I'm gonna try to get, is a pizza, like a slice of pizza. I ain't gonna get two. I'm gonna get like one, and maybe like a little slushy or a drink or something, and just something to put on my stomach. It's not gonna get me full unless I get like 2 slices, but I'm gonna get that, get some gas, and we gonna head. Let me see, what time is it? It's 11 o'clock. Then we're gonna just start, like, see if we can find some Instacart orders. If not, y'all, I'm gonna have to do Instacart another day. Yeah, I'm so hungry. Oh, and I got Big Blue. Everybody know this the best drink. Oh, but it's so good. Okay, y'all, I'm back. So I'm not gonna Instacart. If I do, it'll be later. If not, y'all, I keep just talking about it like I don't know if I'm gonna do it or not. But anyway, I'm gonna try Tiff's Treats cookies for the first time, because I heard they good. So, because y'all know I've been stuck on crumble for a minute or whatever, but I don't think I want none of the flavors they got this week. Pumpkin cake, lemon. The apple pie one look good, but I don't think I want an apple pie cookie. It look good though. Yeah, I don't want to try no crumble for this week, so I think I'm gonna try Tiff's Treats. I don't really know what kind. I guess they got just like the normal. Tiff's Treats probably is like another Insomnia. So, and the nearest Insomnia is like 25-30 minutes away. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'll be back. What's up? What's up, y'all? I'm back. Yeah, I can't wait to get a thing to put my freaking camera on. It's so aggravating when I be trying to vlog in the car. But anyway, so I got my Tiff's Treats cookies. I only got a 3-pack. Well, it wasn't a 3-pack, but I just got 3 individual cookies. I gotta put some germs on my hands. I had just got 3 of their cookies, and I should have got the receipt. One of them is, I got regular chocolate chip, I got a sugar cookie with M&Ms, and I got a what he said, a white chocolate almond, because I asked did they have macadamia, and he was like, no, we got white chocolate with almonds or some shit. So, oh, and they asked you, do you want them heated up? Let me see. sorry, y'all. That was a lot. That good. But if we gonna compare, Insomnia is way better. I don't know, Insomnia cookies just they like a little bigger. And they're just, you know, I don't know. I like Insomnia better than that. But they are good though. And because I said Insomnia, the nearest Insomnia to me is like 30 minutes. I will come here and get cookies. And they cheap. They like one something. I think $1.70, but yeah, almost $2 for one. And they just normal size. They not like big or anything, but they good though. I ain't gonna knock it. They good. But they not better than Insomnia though. And I really can't compare Crumble because Crumble is not like a regular cookie place. Like, their cookies are huge and they change their flavors every week, so they don't just have the basic flavors and stuff like these other places. It's 12:35. My appointment at 1:30, but I gotta drive a good bit, maybe like 25-30 minutes depending on traffic. I act like I can't look at my phone. Yeah, I was right. 25-30. It's 27 minutes, but the traffic don't look bad though. So if I leave now, I should make it there at 1:01. So my appointment for 1:30, but I would like for them to come, like, get me, like, accept me early, like, you know, cause baby, I ain't trying to be there all day. I'm gonna go ahead and head to my oil change appointment, and hopefully they don't take long. I am gonna need to eat something else probably when I leave there, and I don't know what I'm eating. I might get Wendy's or something, but I'm gonna catch y'all in the next clip. What's up, y'all? My face is shiny, but I just left the not them turning my heat down, but I just left the dealership, and let me tell y'all. So first they told me my brake pads in the back need changing, and you know, I know they not lying about the brake pads because my car do make this, I hate when people drive beside me, but anyway, because my brake pads do make this like sound when I'm like slowing down, and it's been like that since I bought the car, and I should have been like got it seen about, but I just didn't know what it was. So but anyway, I gotta get that done. My transmission fluid, that's $350. I don't even know why is that $350. I don't know, maybe that's just a dealership thing, I don't know. And then I need a tune up, so, and that's $299, so that's $300 too. But I most definitely, when I do go home for the holidays, I am going to let my grandpa see about that, because they not finna get me. You already know how the dealerships is with women. They always try to say something wrong with your car, and then just to get money out of you, and baby, we not doing that. The only thing I know for sure, I'm getting my brake pads changed for sure, because yeah, I know that's for a fact what's wrong with my brakes. But that's just to update y'all. And y'all, it's 3 o'clock. Like, I was at the dealership for 2 hours. 2 freaking hours. That's why I hate going. At least I try to go early in the morning, but they didn't even have no more appointment times in the morning, so I had to get like a 1:30 appointment. But I'm gonna catch y'all when I go get something to eat. What's up, y'all? I'm back. So I decided to get something to eat at my little favorite new seafood spot that my friend recommended to me. My food should be done in maybe 5 more minutes, because I had to call my order in on the way over here. But I'm gonna show y'all what my food look like when I get it, y'all. It's so freaking good, and I'm really thinking about eating it in the car, because I don't even want to drive back home, because I'm like 40 minutes from my house. Let me see, I'm 32 minutes away from my house, and honestly, y'all, like I said, I'm hungry. I don't know if I really want to like wait till I get home to eat comfortably, or like just eat in the car. But that 32 minutes, I'm pretty sure is a toll. See, if I take the 32-minute home, that's taking a toll, and I took a toll to get here, and I don't like taking tolls. I don't know, y'all. I do want to eat comfortably at home, but at the same time, I'm hungry. Like, I really want to eat in the car too. But I just wanted to update y'all. Today kind of been just, I know my vlog probably gonna be like kind of everywhere. Hopefully it don't look like that when I edit it, so. But today has just kind of been like very random. Very, very random. I'm just waiting on my food, so I'll be back to show y'all what my food look like and all that. I'm back, y'all. So let me show y'all my food look like. It smells so freaking good. Oh my god. Okay, let me stop talking. Hold on. Okay. So this is a combination of seafood rice. It got damn, what it got? Crawfish tails. I think it's crawfish tails. Baby shrimp, and then you get 8 big shrimp. Okay. Then I got 2 eggs, 3 potato. Hold on. She charged me for 3 potato. I guess it's all right. But 2 eggs, 3 potato, a corn, and then this is the 3 garlic butter sauces. So basically, I'm gonna put all of this inside my plate, and you mix it all together. You put the sauce on it, or you could dip it in the sauce, and y'all, it's so freaking good. The only reason why I'm showing y'all now, because I think I'm gonna close out my video right now. So yeah, that's why they put it in the bag, because usually they will put the egg and potato and corn inside my plate, but I guess it was too much to try to squeeze in there, so they just put it in that bag. So let me make sure I close it back. So that's why they did it that way this time. But yeah, usually it's the other way. So yeah, y'all, I think I'm gonna close the video out right here. I might put like a little end clip once I put my food together at home. I might do like a little end clip to just put everything together. But anyway, yeah, y'all, I'm gonna close the video out right here. If it was kind of all over the place, I'm sorry. I'm trying to get better at my vlogs, but haven't vlogged in a minute. But anyway, that's the end of this video. Thank y'all for watching. Make sure y'all like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Make sure y'all subscribe. The girl is on the road to 1K. I'm at 724. Y'all, I'm finna get monetized by December. I'm claiming it, like, and all I need is y'all help to get me to 1,000 subscribers. That's it. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video.
I cannot let up.